Winds are finally subsiding, as Chief said, allowing these fire crews to make some progress in containing these fires. Small progress, but progress nonetheless. But more heavy winds are expected. And here to bring us the forecast is meteorologist at the National Weather Service, Kristin Lund. Great to have you here. What's the forecast for the wind speeds as we go into the weekend and then starting again Monday?
Thanks for having me. We're looking at long duration critical fire weather conditions through Wednesday. After a brief break this evening and early tomorrow morning, we will see another bump up of northeast wind gusts of 35 to 50 mile per hour winds with 50 to 70 mile per hour winds in the San Gabriel Mountains, which is just north of the Eaton fire. This will happen tomorrow afternoon into Sunday. So really that Saturday night into Sunday morning period is again going to be critical. So not quite out of the woods this weekend. And then looking Monday into Wednesday, we're looking at another bump up in winds, and this will be 40 to 60 mile per hour winds with 60 to 80 mile per hour winds from the northeast. Again, this will have like a more easterly component to it. So it won't necessarily be all of LA County, like we saw with the past event, but we will be seeing more of Ventura being hit and Western LA County being hit.
But Kristin, it sounds like we're not getting the weekend break I thought we were.
No, we are not, unfortunately. It will still be pretty gusty. We have high wind watches out for tomorrow into Sunday, and we will likely have fire weather watches out during that period too.
All right, Kristin Lund giving us the unfortunate news from the National Weather Service covering the Los Angeles County area. Kristin, really appreciate it. All right, coming up for us. Local leaders are facing some really tough questions and a lot of... Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.